Here's how to use your new Momentum Smart Thermostat app. Setting a timing schedule. Your timing schedule will set your thermostat to reach the desired temperature range at the appointed time. The thermostat will maintain this timing schedule until the next schedule or until another control has been activated to override it. To add a new timer, tap on the Add Time button. Select the time, the days of the week, and the desired temperature range. Note that the temperature range cannot be less than 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Tap the Save button to create the new schedule. If you want to delete a timer, then simply swipe left on the timer to bring up the Delete button. For more information on the Meri Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat, please visit us on our website at momentumcam.com.